Sage. I am an experience specialist with TV Premier Services, and today I'm going to do a super quick and easy little demo about how to make a mail organizer out of a flattened out cereal box. So what you want to do first is get your materials. So I have a scissor and a Sharpie and a ruler for drawing straight lines. And then I have this cereal box that I flattened out, and I kept the flaps on one side, and then I removed them from what will be the top of the mail organizer. So next what you want to do is use your Sharpie and ruler to mark on the side that will be the inside of the mail organizer. So for me, I didn't want to have this sort of ugly pattern be my mail organizer, so this will be the inside, and then eventually I'll fold it up like this. So then you want to mark where you're going to cut, and I will include a little diagram showing you where to cut and what parts to take off. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll come back and put it back together. Okay, so now that I've cut my cereal box, it looks like this, kind of like a newspaper hat, and as you can see I still have the flaps on the bottom. That'll be important for putting it back into the shape that we want. So, and I forgot to mention at the beginning, you also need some Scotch tape for this part. So basically just intuitively fold it back up like you would, but I'm doing mine inside out because I want it to be this blank design on the outside. Alright, tape that in place. So I've got my first little flap, now you can see it's kind of taking shape. And then I'm going to take these bottom flaps closed. Awesome, so now we have our general shape, and you can decorate it or write on it or whatever you want to do. So I'm going to decorate mine, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I've got the finished product here. I wanted to do sort of a simplistic design. So as you can see, I got out my patterned craft paper, and I just cut a couple triangles and then overlapped them, and then I kind of like this brown paper look. So I kept some of that showing, but then had these two to sort of spruce it up. And I'm really happy with the results, so I hope that yours turned out good as well. Thanks for watching.